back with another video. Today I will tell you about a website that helps you to make good thumbnails, banner art, end screens, and Facebook profile pics, and much more. And the website link is in the description below. So keep watching till the end.
Name is Snapper. Go and type Snapper in the search bar. So as you can see, we can make our own custom graphic, and there are some other graphic provided such as social media posts, headers, blogging, and social and ad display. I'm going to show you a tutorial about how to make thumbnails. So let me clear, Snapper is not completely free. You can download 3 pictures from the free account. For unlimited downloads, you have to purchase Snapper.